Yeah, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. So area of the segment. How to find area of the segment? Simple logic में अगर बोलेंगे, so this mm, yeah, in this case, this is the sector and this is a triangle. Now from the sector, if you remove this triangle, what you're left with is segment. And that is the formula of segment. Area of the segment is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So far, so clear?
Yes, sir.
This was about minor. This was about minor segment. If somebody is asking you what is the area of major segment, are not a big deal. If once you find the area of minor segment, you simply take the total circles area, उसमें से इसको निकाल दो, जो भी बचेगा वो major segment. So area of major segment is area of circle minus area of corresponding minor segment. Is this clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Directly find the area of the major segment without finding the area of the minor segment.
You're asking, can we directly find?
Yeah, the area of the major segment
Mm,
without the minor segment.
not at your level.
Oh,
It is not that easy.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Yeah.
didn't understood the concept of major segment. Means how we can draw the major segment.
Okay. So one, you should remember that segment is what? Once you, just a minute. Yeah. Once you draw a chord, whatever is the area between the chord and the arc is, is called as segment. Now this arc is minor arc, hence this segment is also minor segment. Now this big arc is major arc. So whatever is left over here is called as major segment. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. I understood it.
Yeah.
Sir, sir,
Yeah.
I joined a little bit late, so can you just summarize in short what we did till now?
We are actually dealing with circle. Circle के जो भी नए नए parts है, we are learning them. Like we learned what is a sector, what is a segment, what is radius, what is diameter, what is the formula for area of the circle, area of the segment, area of the sector. What is the formula for the
Explain,
circumference and all those things.
sir, can you explain area of segment because the rest everything I
Yeah. In area of segment, see this is the segment, this particular shaded portion is segment. Hmm? Now
yes,
here,
yes,
this
sir.
is the segment. Now how to find segment? You first find the area of the sector, then उसमें से ये area of triangle को remove कर दो. That's it. So area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle.
Okay, sir, got it, got it.
Okay. Okay. Let us solve couple of solved examples and then exercises as well. So the first one, O is the center of the circle. CA and CB are the two tangents. AOB is 115. Find ACB. ACB. What do you think? What logic will support us? What is the data which they have not given, but it is understood?
Sir, I
Sir,
have
angle
no
A
logic
plus
to this,
angle
but
O plus angle B plus angle C is 360 degree.
Very good.
Basically, sum of all angles is 360.
Agreed. How much is this angle?
And the tangents are perpendicular to the radius.
Yes, this is 90, this is 90. So ये तो मिल ही जाएगा. So your answer will be 360 minus 90 minus 115 minus 90. Your answer is 65. Got it?
Sir, can you explain this again?
Sure. So basically, this is a quadrilateral. Okay. Now this quadrilateral का principle is जैसे triangle के अंदर all three angles are 180, वैसे for a quadrilateral all four angles they add up to 360. Now in this sorry, in this case there are four angles, so the sum of all four angles will be equal to 360. So this particular angle's measure will be 360 minus all three angles. 360 minus the first angle is 90, second angle is 115, and the third angle is 90. I believe it is clear.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Hmm.
So the second one, it's hard.
Okay. Yeah. As shown in the figure, AB, BC, CA are sides of triangles ABC. They are tangents to the circle with center O, PQR, respectively. If AB is 9 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, CA is 7 centimeter, find AP, PB, and QC. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, I can, just a minute. Hmm. सबका एडिशन तो इजीली मिल जाएगा वैसे. Yeah, same way. Correct. So I'll show you how to solve this. Now, first of all, you must remember key, this is an external point and these are the tangents 1 and 2. So यहाँ से लेकर दोनों tangent का distance same रहेगा. So if I'm considering this one as x, this will also be x. Similarly, from here, if this is y, this will also be y. From here, if this is z, this will also be z. Is this much clear to you guys?
Sir.
Hmm. Now, just take this up just a minute. Yeah. Now they have said that AB is total 9, which means x and y का दोनों का addition is 9. Therefore, I get this first equation. Do you agree with me?
yes, sir.
Similarly, BC, they have said it is 8. Hence, y plus z will be equal to 8. Hence, the second equation. Similarly, CA, they have said it is 7. Hence, in this case, x plus 7, x plus z is equal to 7. That is my third equation. Now, let me do one thing. Let me subtract. Sorry. Let me subtract the third equation from the second equation. Okay. The second equation is y plus z, and the third equation is z minus z plus x. So when I subtract them, the z gets cancelled, and what I'm left is y minus x. So basically, the right hand side becomes 8 minus 7, 1. So y minus x is equal to 1. I already have x plus y, and now I have y minus x. When I add these two equations, I get the value of y. And once I get the value of y, I substitute the value of y over here. in this particular equation to find how much is x. For example, in this case, if y is 5, x will be equal to 4.
4. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And once I get this x equal to 4, I substitute this over here. So,
So Z is 3.
then I get z is 3. Correct. Understood? So once you get x, y, z, and that's your answer basically. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
I'll show the calculation. What I've told, they have done that on.
Sir, we can skip the third one. That's easy.
Okay, that sounds great.
So can you do the 8th and ninth one? They're about arcs and sectors
Mm-hmm.
and segments.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, in the seventh question, I think there is an error. If it is given that if an area of the circle is 154 centimeter, it should be centimeter square.
Correct. This should have been centimeter square and
So
this should have been
textbook
centimeter.
में square दिया है.
Good. और ये बी ऑप्शन में उन्होंने स्क्वायर दिया था इसमें तो it
So
should
I
not
think
happen.
B option में square उन्होंने जानबूझ के डाला है to confuse because there are two options which are 44 ना.
हाँ, that is also making sense. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, eighth question. If the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter and measure of the arc is 100. अच्छा, सबसे पहले question, is this arc a major arc or a minor arc?
Sir, minor R.
Because the angle is less than
Minor
180.
arc, yes, sir.
Sir,
Very
less than
good.
180 degree.
Correct. Now find the length of the arc. Now the length of the arc, we know it is theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Theta's value they have given us 100. R's value they have given us 7. And pi, you know it is 22 by 7. You simply substitute the values and cancel wherever possible. Like 0 can be cancelled over here, 26. Folds are अगर करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 9 बचेगा. So what you're left with is basically 110 divided by 9, which is 12 and 2 by 9 additionally. Yes, Naitik, tell me what's your doubt?
Sir, I had doubt that in the eighth answer, arc के आगे there is some sign. Can you explain what the sign is?
Array, that is a printing error here. They were trying to write
Because it
this
is in
L,
physical book also. Okay.
L, then R.
Okay, sir.
It's see, bracket means off. L means length. Bracket means off. फिर अंदर जो है वो length of arc.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. The radius. Sorry. Radius of a circle is given as 14 centimeter. What is the area of the sector of angle 60 degree? So let us assume that you have a sector. They are asking the area of the sector. So area of sector's formula is theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So simply you substitute this 60 degree over here and radius over here. Simply solve, you'll get the answer. I believe so far is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. What is the minor segment if M of the arc is 90 degree? Okay. So minor segment's area is what they are asking. The measure of the arc is given as 90 degree. Now, how to find the shaded area? As you know, first you find the area of the sector and then you find the area of the triangle. You simply subtract them, you'll get the answer. So first we are finding the area of the sector, then we are finding the area of the
Sure,
triangle, that
sir.
is half into base into height. Yes, please.
No, I understood. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Then when you subtract them, you will get the correct answer. This is how things are working around. I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is also the same. Okay. Exercise. As shown in the figure, XY, PZ are two common tangents of the two touching circles. PZ is 5 centimeter, then XY will be how much? Any guesses?
Sir, option B,
So
10 centimeter.
yes, sir, because PZ is the radius of both of the circles, so both of them adding is uh, like 10 centimeters, and XY is the center of both circles.
Yeah, that also makes sense. Otherwise, in simple
Sir,
language,
can you explain?
yeah, I'll explain. In simple language, this is a point from where two tangents are drawn. So how much ever is this length, the same will be this length. Similarly, this is a point from where two tangents are drawn. How much ever is this length, the same will be this length. You add both of them, you will get the answer. Got it?
So can you do the third one?
Sir, but I didn't understand. PZ is 5 centimeter. So,
Mm-hmm.
uh, XP should be also 5 centimeter, right?
Yeah, XP is 5 and YP is 5.
Okay, sir.
The angle in a major segment of a circle greater than
Sir, I
90.
don't think the correct answer is given.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it can't be correct.
It has to be more than 180.
Correct, sir.
Sir, and can you do the second question?
The length of the tangent drawn from a point 5 centimeter away from the circle of the center of the circle of radius 3 centimeters how much? Okay, let's see. So I'll just try to draw the scenario. So this is a circle. I'll draw bigger. This is a circle. Its radius is 3. So I'm drawing at 5, which means it is outside the circle. And this distance will be 2. This distance is 3. This length is what they're asking. Let me say, just a minute.
So the radius and the tangent forms 90 degrees. So the opposite of that is the uh, distance between the center and the 5 centimeters. So that will be the hypotenuse.
Sir, can we use the Pythagoras theorem in this?
You have to use Pythagoras only.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's 4.
In this case, when you join them, this is 90. When you join this is 5, which is
I and then
hypotenuse. This is 3.
is, and then 4 will be the last side.
So x will be equal to under root of 5 square minus 3 square. It's 25 minus 9, 16,
The
4.
4.
Option C will be your correct answer.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
Sir, now just can you do the fifth question as I'm not able to find the answer?
Okay. Okay. As shown in the figure, something is shown AD, BC are the tangents to the circle at points D, E, and F respectively. Then AB plus BC plus CA is equal to AD, which is not making any sense. Then AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 2 times AD.
So logically, it should be the answer.
1, 2, because correct, 2 times it will be. You know why? Because yeah, I'll explain how. So let me call this as let me say x, and let me call this as obviously this will also be x. Now I can say that
Sir, how
this
will this?
I'll
Sir, how
explain.
will that be x?
Okay, I'll explain. So for let me consider this particular point, point B. Point B said D and F both are like basically these two are tangents. This is one tangent and this is another tangent. Therefore, if I say that this is x, then this will also be x. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similarly, about
Yes,
point
sir.
C also, this and this both the distances are same. Let me call this as y and this will also be y. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now A से D तक का distance and A से E तक का distance दोनों same रहेगा. Let me call
Yes,
this
sir.
as
How,
let's
sir?
say
How?
same
Array, it's a
principle.
property. It's a
Same principle.
property.
Tangent,
It's a tangent property. The distance between the
second property of the tangent,
point of contact and external point is always same.
है ना?
Okay, okay.
So this is Z. So okay. Now this particular distance, let me call it as x. Oh, sorry, I'll call this as Z minus x, AB, and I'll call this as Z minus Y. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So far, so clear? Now let me do one thing. AB plus BC plus CA. Let me just add it. What is AB? It's Z minus X. Plus, what is BC? It is X plus Y. Plus, what is AC? It is Z minus Y. So Y gets cancelled with Y. X gets cancelled with X. The answer is 2 times Z, where Z is AD. So basically, it is 2 times AD.
Sir, how did you get x plus y?
This BC. What is this? This is AB. This is
BC.
BC. And this is CA. Agreed?
Sir, in
Yes,
the,
sir.
sir, in the
Can you do
sixth,
7?
This is not 7. This is 2 actually. Acha, you want me to do the 7th problem? Oh, yeah, I'll do
Yes,
that.
sir.
Don't worry, don't worry.
the
I'll do it.
first,
So I
sixth.
believe this much is clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Seventh one.
And the
As
sixth.
shown, so you want to do 6th as well.
Yeah.
As shown in the figure, here it is. This angle is 120. This is C. This is diameter. CB is the tangent from C. BA is the diameter. AOC is 120. Find the angle BCO. It's very simple. So first of
So,
all,
but then how can it be 120 if it's the diameter? Then A, OB and AO should be
Hold on,
like in.
hold on. I'll explain. AB is the diameter. OC
Yeah.
is a random segment here. In दोनों this
So we
line
have
and
OB.
this AB is the diameter, I know, but the angle 120 is between A and C, right? So इसके और इसके बीच में कुछ भी एंगल हो सकता है. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay. वो डिपेंड करता है सी पॉइंट कहाँ पे. सी पॉइंट अगर यहाँ पर रहेगा तो दिस विल बी सम अदर एंगल. सी पॉइंट अगर यहाँ पर रहेगा तो दिस विल बी सम अदर एंगल. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Hmm.
ओके. हाँ. सो दिस इज 120, बट सिंस इट इज डायमीटर, डायमीटर का टोटल एंगल तो 180 होता है. So whatever is the leftover angle, that will be 180 minus 120. In this case, it will become 60. Do you understand this? Agreed?
Yes, sir. And then the CA will become a tangent.
Yeah, this CB is all CA नहीं, CA की जरूरत ही नहीं है अपने को. CB is already tangent for this, though I can say this is 90 and this becomes a triangle. So triangle का total
150.
angle is 180. 180 minus 90 minus 60, that becomes 30, and that's your answer. BCO. Agreed?
Yes, sir. My problem was that I took 200 by mistake instead of 180. Don't know why.
Hmm. Understood. ठीक है. Now let's proceed further. Seventh question. As shown in the figure, the radius of the larger circle is 2 centimeter. It is touched internally by two smaller circles which also touch each other externally at center O of the larger circle. The area of the shaded region will be how much? Just a minute, I'm thinking. O पे touch हो रहा है, which means
So both of the
this
circles
becomes
supposed to be
radius.
equal.
Yeah, they have not drawn correctly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the diameter of the first circle is radius of the bigger circle. The diameter of the second circle is also the radius of the bigger circle. So in this case, what you have to do is, well, this is a very symmetrical thing. So what you have to do is very simple. Total area निकालो, or maybe what you can do is semicircle. Semicircle का काम करो. You know the formula for area of semicircle?
Yes,
Sir, in
sir.
It's half pi r
circles
Sir,
square.
pi r square by 2.
Half pi r square.
Correct. So what we can
uh,
do? Yeah, tell
why
me.
are one larger and one smaller?
Yeah, they should
Sir,
not be
could you
one
do the
large.
question 9 after this?
It's confusing because if they are touching externally at the center, then they will be both 1 centimeter diameter.
Correct. So the way the diagram is drawn is incorrect. Okay, most probably it is to confuse you guys. Okay, so logically
So
they
basically,
both are same circle.
the area of both the circles combined will be pi.
Sir,
Yeah, I'll come to that point. Just a minute. Let me
sir,
complete this
sir,
calculation
could you do
now.
the question 9?
First, let me complete question 7. Now, half pi r square is the area of semicircle. So what I'm going to do is bigger semicircle में से I'll be subtracting two smaller semicircles. Okay, so that will be half pi. The bigger circle radius is 2 square minus half pi. The smaller radius will be how much? If bigger radius is 2, the smaller radius will be 1 minus half pi 1 square. Okay, so this becomes, when I take half pi common outside, I'm left with 2 square 4 over here minus 1 minus 1. So that gives me 2, 2 cancel हो जाएगा, तो overall area is pi. Pi is the area of the shaded region. Understood? Any doubts so far?
No.
So can you do the ninth one next?
Yeah. So you should wait for me to complete one problem before you ask me to solve the next problem. Okay?
Sir, there is a printing error in the ninth one. It should be 6R, which is the answer. B option. It should be R. There is no R. Ninth.
Yeah, regular hexagon is inscribed in a circle of radius r. Yeah, that makes sense. Then its perimeter is how much? So basically, this is a circle. If a hexagon is inscribed, so hexagon ka property is what? Whatever is this value, the same will be this value. So if radius is r, then the side is also r. So the overall perimeter will be 6r. Option B is your
Sir,
correct
can
answer.
you repeat the property?
Which property?
Sir, in physical textbook,
Sir, you just said of hexagon property.
I'll repeat, don't worry. So whenever you have an hexagon, center say when you join the end points, okay, if whatever is the measure of that particular segment, center से जो भी आप join कर रहे हो, ये end point to end point का जो particular segment है, that will also have the same measure. So basically, this part of the hexagon will act like an equilateral triangle where all sides are going to be same. Understood?
Sir, it is for only for hexagon, right?
Yes, only for hexagon. But
Okay, sir.
हाँ, actually, mm, technically speaking,
Sir,
yeah,
I have
right.
a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what is the formula for area of a hexagon? I don't think it is given in the book.
I don't think it is required for you guys now. जरूरत है क्या अभी? I don't think so.
Sir, it can come, I think.
Mm, uh, ठीक है. So I'll just tell you. So for example, let me say if okay, I'm calling the side of the hexagon as A, then in that case the area will be, or maybe I'll just call it as S side. Area will be equal to 3 root 3 upon 2 multiplied by side square. This is the area of hexagon.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so dear children, आज के लिए
So
इतना ही
fourth
है.
one.
The okay, remaining I want you guys to try, not now, but after we solve the
Sir, I
worksheet.
tried the sum.
Yes, so what you can do is wait for me to solve the worksheet as well, because worksheet में various types of problems we are going to solve. After we complete the worksheet, you try once again. If then also if you're
Okay,
not
sir.
able to solve the problem, as you know, once we finish the syllabus, we are anyway planning for a doubt solving session, right? So in the doubt solving
Yes,
session, you
sir.
can definitely bring it up.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Hi, sir. Thank you
Bye,
so much.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.